Hello everyone, this is Pragya Pandey from RAO'S Academy for Competitive Exams Bhopal, and this is a special series on daily news review. Before moving any further, do hit the like button and subscribe our channel so you don't miss any updates. Without wasting any time, let's see what is in the news. Under the program linking textile with tourism, 8 craft villages has been taken up to promote craft and tourism at a single location that aims to develop handicraft as a sustainable and remunerative livelihood options for artisans in the cluster. These 8 villages are Raghurajpur, Odisha, Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, Badaj, Gujarat, Tajganj, Uttar Pradesh, Naini, Uttar Pradesh, Anegundi, Karnataka, Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, and Amer, Rajasthan. Recently, the Indian Meteorological Department releases the Outlook Index for aridity anomaly for the month of July. The index monitors agricultural drought. This is a situation when rainfall and soil moisture are inadequate to support healthy crop growth till maturity, causing crop stress. An anomaly from the normal value would thus signify a water shortage in these districts that could directly impact agricultural activity. As per the report, at least 196 districts are in the grip of severe degree of dryness, and among these 196, 65 alone are from the Uttar Pradesh. India is dry land, that is approximately 69%. Let's understand the aridity and drought. Aridity is defined as a degree to which a climate lacks effective life promoting moisture, whereas drought is generally considered as a deficiency in rainfall or precipitation over an extended period. A period of abnormally dry weather sufficiently long enough to cause a serious hydrological imbalance causes adverse impact on vegetation, animal, and people. There are 4 different kind of droughts. Let's understand these one by one. First is meteorological drought. This is a situation where the reduction in rainfall for a specific period below a specific amount. The next one is hydrological drought. It again consists of 2 kind of drought. One is the surface water drought and another one is the groundwater drought. The third one is the agricultural drought. It occurs when soil moisture goes below the level needed to sustain plant growth. It also known as the soil moisture drought. The fourth and the last one is the ecological drought. It is when the productivity of a natural ecosystem fails due to shortage of water and causes environmental damages like the death of cattle, wildlife, and trees in the forest. The Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi declared open the 44th Chess Olympiad at Jawaharlal Nehru Indoor Stadium, Chennai. This is the first time in the history that the Chess Olympiad is being held in the place of its origin, that is Hamara Pyara Bharat. It has been organized since 1927 and after 30 years it is being held in the Asia. Official mascot for the 44th Olympiad is Thambi that you can see in the image. The International Chess Federation FIDE is the governing body for the sports of chess and it regulates all the international chess competition which headquarters is in Lausanne, Switzerland. To commemorate the victory of Indian Armed Forces and pay tribute to the supreme sacrifice of the gunners in Operation Vijay, Point 5140 at Dras in Kargil sector has been christened as the Gun Hill. Lok Sabha passed a bill to grant statutory cover to already established family courts in Himachal Pradesh and Nagaland. The bill amends the Family Courts Act 1984, which provides an establishment of family courts by state to deal with the dispute related to the family and marriages. Local Development Authority, a lake development authority in Manipur, issued a notice to remove all the earthworms, those are known as circular fish culture pond and fumides from the lakes. Let's understand the issue. As per the authority, the growing number of homestays and huts have put a lake at risk and impacted the environment. There has been a sharp reduction in fish production as well. Also, presently the area is under the threat due to various factors, including human pressure. The loss of large areas of agricultural fields due to inundation and increased level of sediments and pollutants by untreated river have added more danger to the lakes and fish. Let's understand something about the Loktak Lake. It is the largest freshwater lake in northeast India, Manipur. The Cable Lamjau is the only floating national park situated on this lake and also the home for the endangered brow and frilled deer, all the sangai, that is also the Manipur's state animal. 31st July observed as the Chabar Day to promote Chabar link to the international north-south transport corridor. It is India's vision and initiative to reduce the time taken for the EXIM shipment to reach Russia, Europe, and enter the Central Asian market. Chabar Port is developed by India, Iran, and Afghanistan to boost trade ties among the three countries in the wake of Pakistan denying transit access to the New Delhi. You can see clearly here in the image, there is Chabar Port. It is very close to the Gwadar Port. That is very important for India as well. Let's understand something about the Chabar Port. It is a seaport in Chabar located in southeastern Iran on the Gulf of Oman. It serves as Iran's only oceanic port and the only Iranian port with direct access to the Indian Ocean. Being close to the Afghanistan and the Central Asian countries of Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, it has been termed as the Golden Gate to these landlocked countries. International North-South Transport Corridor is 7,200-kilometer long multi-mode network of ship, rail, and road route for moving freight between India, Iran, Azerbaijan, Russia, Central Asia, and Europe, as you can see clearly here in the image. The significance of INSTC is increased in bilateral trade, shorter and cheaper route that can counter China's Belt and Road Initiative. Also has economic and strategic relevance to India due to China's ambitious One Belt, One Road Initiative. The proposed INSTC trade corridor could help India secure its interest in Central Asia and beyond. So this is it for today. Join our batches for UPSC MPPSC Civil Services Examination. Seats are very limited, so hurry up. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment your valuable feedback and also press the subscribe button to never miss any updates. Please follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Links are given below in the description box. Thank you and see you tomorrow.